guys, welcome back to our channel, The Twinsters. So we are here at Shivapuri Heights Resort. It's located in Shivapuri. Iskon Temple ko 5 minutes, 10 minutes drive, and it's like pretty near Amro city, but it's just like a 1 hour drive, and it's very convenient. We're here for staycation with our sisters and friends. As you can see, the view, it's beautiful. So let's see our journey here and how we stayed and everything. Hi. It's such a warm sunny day, and the best part of winter is this warm sun, and we love the vibe of this place. We're gonna go and make our dear sister ko Bachelorette surprise party. Yeah, we're going to Shivapuri Cottage, and we're really excited. We're gonna make the reels, and we're going to Shivapuri for the first time. We'll show you how our day goes. Happy Saturday. Hi, I'm here. Did you guys get the stuff? Yes. We are on our way. Finally. Ready to go. So we are here. I'm like driving like pick up going down to Bachelorette resort ko. Yes. Where are we going? Guys, it's a little bit adventure, but don't try to jeet it. Lord gaya. Hey, na rim chum phat. Photo. Hey, na rim chum phat. Oh, no. Do nahi. Yo. We can say that someone you can see the stunners.
Right, because before we're going to do the house up there, and then the house there, we gave you.
So this is our villa for tonight, and everybody. Hi, everybody. Oh, they're. So this is our private villa. It's so pretty, and it's in decoration. So we've got snacks here. Oh my god, hi. Oh, very delicious. What are you? What? Chocolate gonna let some. You gonna freeze. You see? Nice. Bachelor. Yeah, everyone's wearing black. It's our theme. And I don't know Sampada. So.
Hi guys! Hi! Outfit of the day! And everyone is wearing red.
Hi! Hi! Huh? Thanks to everyone. Random surprise moment. The music's Then 1, 2, 3. We are ready for surprise. We're waiting to the restaurant. Let's see if we can surprise the parent. Black and white Pumbaa. Oh, I can see it. Hi, Marsha. Hi. Hi, Katrina. Oh my God, getting married in 2 weeks. How are you feeling, Sampada? What's cooking? What's that? For bride to be, and hi Samriti, she's the one organizing every surprise. You guys organized it. Oh, we were part of it. So these are all the bridesmaids and sisters. City light, hi bride to be, and city light hi. Okay. Happy bridal shower. We love you. Congratulations. Congratulations. हजुर यो छ नि यो के को सुप हो यही फल्यो कि शिवपुरी हाइटमा थ्याङ्क यू सो गुड authentic organic food our dinner super organic winner chicken dinner so we just got a surprise bride happy shower to you. Congratulations and celebrations. And celebration. Heading back to our villa. It's hi Samriti. So this is our way down back to room. It's so fun. Bye. Cheers. Happy wedding life.
Happy married life.
Wow. Didi, university ma usko course padhauna त्यसरी like for inspiration life and all. कैसे हुआ अच्छा ना बुलाए नाराजियां के एक दूजे के माने बिना कब दो दिलों की हुई यारियां दिल न जाने दिल न जाने भन्न मिल्छ न जाने भन न जाने बन लोले 1 2 3 go लोला Good morning guys from Shivapuri Cottage. It's so pretty morning and around. This is so pretty. This is so like home. We're gonna have to grab a Mansha is preparing coffee for me and for myself. What are we having? We've got a very cute coffee table here. The sun is cute bottles, milk powder buns, and then we have our coffee in here, morning coffee at. Hi, good morning. Just took a quick shower. And just look at our bar washroom. It's so cute. And we have our burned up in so we can go outside. It's so fresh and crisp. Hi. How's mommy today? Oh my god, look at the mess yesterday. My brain yesterday already outside the rain. Hi, good morning. Just look at my morning faces. It's the ridiculous. And now we're gonna go for breakfast. Wow, this place is so pretty. Bien. See, like 10 minutes. Woo! Please be careful. So this how Shivapuri Height Cottage is treating you?
It's fun.
So where did you go? Where did you go jump there? Just like I did. And express your fun. Done?
Yeah.
We're walking. Literally, we have to walk like it's an activity, morning activity.
So, what's for breakfast? I'm
What's
so
cooking?
excited to eat because we are hungry as anything.
Yeah, I was in bite. First time. Hi guys. Looks so good. We've got puri, aloo, tomato, and egg and bread. Mushroom. And then we've got juice and this coffee. Cheers. Cheers, Warsa. Azar? We have the breakfast with the view. Hi, bright to be. Hi. Monica, how was your staycation at Shivapuri?
Shivapuri in whole was so nice. Main you can get to see the whole city view. Yeah, but our we had hired a villa.
Yeah, this is a
Very
villa.
convenient. We had 3 rooms and we were like 8 sisters and she was so nice. Main we get to eat organic village food here. And overall service was very nice. And we did our bachelorette and it was really nice.
Hello, Muncha. How are you feeling today?
I feel so fresh and relaxed.
So-
it was such a great stay. So
के थियो हाम्रो सर्भिसहरु भन्नुस् न tell us about the service about Shivapuri Height Resort.
Shivapuri, it's like Kathmandu, but I think 10 to 15 kilometers.
Very good experience here. And it's like we can book a villa. The villa must 3 rooms यसमा. And you guys can come with your friends for a bridal shower, birthday parties, and with the families also. We also
you can do the barbecue as well.
Yeah,
There is
barbecue.
spa, there is jacuzzi.
We also had
there is the
bon-
massage place as well.
spa पनि छ यहाँ अनि we had like bonfire facilities. Of course, it was very जाडो नि त अनि
Ekdam chill गर्नको लागि, like nothing to do, just stay
Yeah.
and enjoy the
enjoy the
organic
nature
food,
and the
nature.
view.
So yeah,
So
we
you-
had a wonderful time. Thank
We
you so
highly
much
recommend
for
you
watching.
guys.
I think this is
Did
the
you
end
see
of
the
the
view?
vlog. This is our Camera Piaro Kathmandu.
And just subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Twinsters. Bye.
This is how you feeling?
I feel amazing and
so-
I'm with my favorite people out here.
Yeah, we had a best time.
Yeah, people.
Place doesn't matter.
मैले
Company
चाहिँ-
does.
Company does. हिजो चाहिँ मैले chocolate covered strawberry
That
बनाएको.
was the hit. We
Yeah,
love
that
it.
was the showstopper, guys.
Yeah, it was so
Amazing.
good. We had our favorite cousin right to be. How is it? New life gonna be like ladies?
I'm excited. अलिकति nervous, but
a new life.
For obviously good adventure. Right?
How is the bridal shower?
it was so nice. Thank you so much. Plus, this place is like you guys have picked the best spot, eh?
Thanks
And,
to
it's so
everyone.
nice. Plus, the hostहरू पनि कस्तो राम्रो हुनुहुन्थ्यो. They even
Hospitality
organized a
was-
surprise dinner
Dinner
set
and
up with
also the
cakes
cheesecake
and
was so nice.
so nice. So thank you so much.
The bachelorette is over already, eh? We're so sad.
But the wedding is coming. Subscribe to our channel.
Stay tuned.
Bye. Bye.